Hi, my name is Karamdeep Kaur and I'm a digital business owner and helping so many busy parents and others who want to earn online from the comfort of their home and who want to earn on the side. So, this is the video regarding all the frequently asked questions you have regarding what this business is there any products to sell, and if not, then what the role of us in this business. I already explained to you, but my coach Farhana, who inspired us with her efforts and success, and she just successfully completed her 5 years in this business, she briefly explained regarding all the frequent questions you have. So please watch this video and enjoy.
True that we're selling product?
No, that's not true. We do not sell any products. And the follow-up question that you would ask is, so if you're not selling products, then how do you make money? What are you selling? And what is it actually that you sell then? So basically, the business that we are into, it's a digital marketing business, which means that your work here is mainly marketing. And there are products involved. When we say you don't sell products, that means you as a business owner, your responsibility is not to sell products. It doesn't mean that there are no products involved. The products are there. We have certain affiliate companies that we are paired up with, and these affiliate products are sold in the back end, and you will be making commissions when these products are sold. But the beauty of this over here is that everyone cringes away from selling. Like, you don't want to be that salesperson who bugs people. Oh, this is you want to buy this from me. And there are so many of those multi-level marketing things that people sell, lotions and lipsticks and I don't know what, all of those things. So you will not be doing any of those. What you will get from us is basically a business package, which includes the affiliates is one part of it. There's the technical infrastructure which we will be providing to you, which includes your all the setup and automations and everything. There's training and mentorship, and there's access to all of this community support. This is the package which you are getting. You plug into it, and depending on what affiliates you choose, you will be introduced to the various affiliates in the 30-day trial which we offer. Once you choose your affiliates, that will determine what your offer is going to be, what you are actually going to be selling. And when I say selling, doesn't mean the actual product part of the selling. So digital marketing is what you will do. When you learn the skill of digital marketing and when you learn to do it properly, the system, you set the system in motion, and the system will do the selling for you, and the products will be sold without you ever having to talk about the products. And when that happens, you will be making commissions, you will be making money. That's how Nakila makes money, that's how I make money. And you hear the term make money in your sleep, make money while you are on vacations. All of that is possible because of the systems and automations in place. We do our work of the marketing part, and the system does the selling for us. And it's a beautiful system. Check it out, understand how it works, and then decide for yourself if it works for you or not.
Thank you so much. That was, oh my